What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today on BHC. Let's get to it. All right, traders, no live trade today. I'm very sorry. Totally stopped recording somewhere around like 11 o'clock. Shit show Tuesday is always going to be a thing one way or another. It was actually a little bit better today because my son didn't have speech class. It was like parent-teacher conferences, so the school wasn't doing the speech sessions. But still having both of them at the same time and trying to entertain them and feed them and keep the ones diaper changed and all that good stuff. Yeah, so pretty much just how it's going to be on Tuesdays, I guess. But switching over here real quick to the 2-minute. We were looking at BHC right off the scanner. Pretty much nothing for us this morning. Everything was just the low floaters: BIMI, SES, WWR. I believe there was even another one. I can't remember which one it was. But just absolutely nothing. The only thing we had on our watch list per se this morning was PAGS. We were looking for this to kind of pop up and then do what it did. But as you can see, it just tanked right out of the gate. So, but BHC actually happened really fast. I heard it on the scanner. I wasn't even sitting at my computer. Ran over when I heard the alert going off, and when I pulled it up, it was actually making this move down here, and I had said, okay, kind of missed it. So I was like, well, let's see if it wants to pop back up. And sure enough, it popped back up, and I took it right before it continued this little bit of a top of the candle here. And I was just risking high a day. I told myself, see if it wants to do sloppy seconds. If it wants to go high a day, I'll just stop out. You know, at least we have a set risk on this trade. And in reality, I probably should have took some more shares because I was doing that. I only took 100 shares here because if I'm risking, say $50 on the trade, I only had 20 cents to go from where I got in. So I could have risked a little bit more, at least 200 shares. But, I just did it this way. Again, this morning, I wasn't really feeling it anyway. Running on like 3-4 hours of sleep. Knew it was going to be a long day. Had the energy drink this morning. So it's kind of how I was kicking for the most part. But anyways, it went up a little bit higher. Did turn out to be sloppy seconds. Got a nice little drop. Took half because it was such a big move just in case it wanted to try to pop up again. It did a little bit. And then we were ultimately looking to get under 50. But VWAP was coming up, and as you can see, the lowest it got here was 55, and the lowest it got here was 55, and we just couldn't seem to get under that. I was hoping we'd get the 50 break, and it started to go back up on this candle, and I just was like, okay, we're just going to take it off and be happy with the trade. And then, of course, right after I got out, it pretty much just went straight down, got down to 46, and it's been kind of going sideways since. So, hindsight's 20/20 as always, but yeah. There was obviously no video yesterday. We did the live stream in the morning. There was no trades, so it didn't bother making a video. Just everything's a little weird right now. It's kind of low float mania at the moment. So we'll just kind of be happy that we even got a trade today, and it was green. So get back on that green bandwagon, and hopefully with earnings happening this afternoon, hopefully it'll bring some more life to the mid and large caps where we like to kind of hang out nowadays. So that's all I got for you guys today. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.